Good morning, students. This is a message from the exam department for your ensuing half-yearly examination commencing from 21st September 2020. Already you have got your exam schedule. Now today we'll discuss about the procedure and the marking scheme of the examination, right? All of you have gone through the exam procedure and you sat for the first duty exam. This exam, our half-yearly exam, is a combination of your old pattern of typing on the laptop or mobile, culminating with the writing on pen and paper. Our management considered that only typing on the laptop or mobile is not enough for you and it takes some more time and some problem. So this time we have segregated the whole question paper into 6 sections. Section A, B, C, D, E, F. First 3 sections, section A, B, C, you will type on your mobile or your laptop or PC, whatever it may be. Section A consists of 15 MCQs, right? This is from 6 to class 12. A slight change in 11 and 12 will come after that. MCQ 15 marks, 15 into 1. Then section B or question number 2, fill in the blanks, 10 marks, 10 into 1. Then section C, from class 6 to 10, it consists of 5 2 marks questions. This is a very short answer type question, 1 line answer or maybe just more, or you can give in 1 word also. Okay, it is 5 into 2 and from 11 and 12 it is 6 into 2. Then these 3 you will type from section D, E, F. These 3 sections you have to write on the paper and then you will take a snap of it and there's the attachment in the exam portal. You will upload it, right? Section D, from class 6 to 10, there are 5 questions of 3 marks each. You will write and the word limit will be given in your question paper. For class 11 and 12, this is 6 questions of 3 marks each, right? Now section E, for class 6 to 10, this consists of 4 long questions of 5 marks each, and for 11 and 12 there are 3 long questions 5 marks each. And section F, it is equal for all. There are 2 compositions 5 marks each. So culminating, these are of 80 marks. Now rest 20 marks. Now this rest 20 marks, I am talking this about English. 20 marks ASL, you will be given 1 topic for speaking and another topic you will choose, that's too for speaking, right? Now this consists of 10 each. Other subject, other teachers, they have told you where it is for attendance 5 marks, for assignment some marks, but I am talking it about English. So this 20 marks speaking skill, you have to speak on those topics one topic will be supplied by your subject teacher, another topic you will choose, but that topic should relate to COVID-19. You will make a folder where you will make 2 audio clips of your speaking. The time limit is 1 to 2 minutes, and then you will send it to the email ID you will be supplied by the subject teachers. Okay? Best of luck for your exam.